Guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem with hard disks not showing when you connect an external hard drive to your computer. So I have with me here a Toshiba 3.0 external hard drive. So I'm going to connect it. As you can see, I've connected it and the system has detected it, but it's not showing on my computer. Now let me remove it again. So I've connected the hard drive, but it's not showing. So first, to begin, we have to go to disk management. So there are so many ways of launching disk management. You can either go to control panel into disk management, or you can use Windows X, then you navigate to disk management, or you can simply search for it, disk management. So create and format hard disk partitions, then you open disk management. So now this is the first disk we have, which is the hard disk, the internal hard drive. Then I have the additional disk one, which is the external drive that is not showing. So as you can see, I have two partitions on this particular hard drive, but they are not showing it. So the reason why the hard drive is not showing is because we haven't assigned a letter to them. So to begin, as you can see, look at the status of the drive. We have a healthy active primary partition. So what this means is that the drive is active and everything there is intact, but because we don't have drive letters assigned to them, that's the reason why they are not showing. So we are going to assign the letter to these two partitions here. So first you right click on the partition, then you go to change drive letter and paths, then you go to add. So with this are the alphabets available. You can choose any of them. So first I want to add or make this drive F. You click on OK. So as you can see, whoa, it has opened our drive F. Then we do same for the next partition here. So let's right click on this as well. Then we go to change drive. Then to add, we are going to add another letter to this. So now let's use G for this. Then you click on OK. So whoa, our drive Gen2 has opened. So guys, this is how to solve the problem when your hard drive is not showing. So I hope this video helps. We have our two drives here. So sorry, my phone is ringing. I hope this video helps. So for this and other videos on IT, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.